XYZ angle is 64 degrees, but XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P, but YQ bisect the ZYP. ZYP is this angle, bisect the YQ. Bisects means divided into two equal parts. This angle is equal to this angle. Both angles are equal. This angle is equal to A. This angle is equal to A. A plus 64 is equal to 180 degrees. Both total sum of three angles is equal to 180. This is a line. XP is a line. Sum of three angles is equal to 180. 2A plus 64 is equal to 180 degrees. 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. 180 minus 64. 6. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 1. 2A is equal to 116. Or A is equal to 116 by 2. 2 1 ja 258 ja. A is equal to 58 degrees. But what is the find out? XYQ is equal to what is that? XYQ. A is equal to 58. Angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ is equal to find out. Is equal to XYQ. Angle XYZ is equal to what is that? Angle XYZ given the question 64. Angle ZYQ is equal to angle ZYQ is equal to A degrees. Angle ZY degrees is equal to A is equal to XYQ. 64 plus A is equal to 58. XYQ is equal to 64 58. How much? 64 58. 12 122. Angle XYQ is equal to 120 degrees. 122 degrees is find out. Next, reflection of QYP kada. Start now. Find the reflection of QYP. Angle QYP is equal to how many degrees is there? 58 degrees. But reflection of QYP is equal to 360 minus 58. This is a QYP angle. Reflection of QYP is equal to this one total. QYP is equal to 360 minus 58 means 302 degrees. Reflection of QYP is equal to 302 degrees. This is the answer.